Come on, come on, come on. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah, I just made $5,000 in one trading session. No way. I'm just the best. Hey, thinking about finally hitting your jackpot? Forget about casinos and lotteries. They're just a waste of resources. The real jackpot is something you can make every single day with your own hands, no luck, no guessing, just results. My name is Nathan, and trading isn't just my profession, it is my life. For the past 8 years, I've been doing what others call the art of making money. During this time, I've completed over 600,000 trades, and now my strategies are turning things around for over 12,000 people. These people come from all walks of life: students, office workers, stay-at-home moms. They had no prior experience, yet today they hit jackpots consistently just by following my actions. Wanna know how it works? It's ridiculously simple. Right now, I'm gonna share my strategy with you. One that allows you to hit jackpots every single day, even if you're a complete beginner. Forget about complicated charts and confusing terms. This is so simple that anyone can do it. Are you ready to learn how to start making money from scratch and see your first results by tomorrow? Then buckle up. Because what's coming next is a step-by-step plan that will turn things around. Let's go! But before we dive in, I have something even better for you. Yes, for you. Right now, you have the chance to take the first step. Click the link in the description below this video and join my Telegram community, where over 15,000 people are already receiving accurate, real-time signals from me every single day. They simply copy my trades, which I execute live, and get the same results. And here's a look at yesterday's community results. We made over 375,000 in just one day. You can achieve the same results by joining my community right now. It's completely free. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment below and start turning things around today with me. Alright friends, today we're starting with 15. Now let's select our participants. Let's add one more stock. Next, an important step, the indicator. Today I'll be using MACD, a great tool for technical analysis. With my strategy, I use it to determine trend strength and direction. By the way, this indicator is perfect for beginners. Alright, I'm ready to get started. Let's go. Let's check out the first trading pair. The chart shows a strong upward movement, bulls are in control. The indicator confirms the trend, with its lines also pointing up, signaling market confidence. The absence of sharp pullbacks further proves buyers are strong. So I'm going up, since everything indicates that the uptrend will continue. Perfect. Seems pretty simple, right? Let's see how things unfold next. Looking for the next situation. The chart still shows uptrend, but a sharp pullback down catches my attention. A candlestick engulfing pattern has formed. This suggests a potential reversal. The price bounced back from the pullback and started climbing again. What does this mean? Correction is normal with a trend. If the price doesn't break major support levels and recovers, the trend is still strong. The engulfing pattern is one of the most reliable signals for trend continuation. So I'm going up, since there is a high probability that the price will keep rising. Alright guys, I've just got a message from an old coworker asking me to lend him an amount. We used to work at a gas station together about 9 years ago. Back then I had just started learning about trading and this guy laughed at my new hobby. Well, you can see where that led now. Yep, anyway, we're off to a great start, friends. Let's keep going. By the way, the amount we just made is exactly what my old coworker is asking for. Unbelievable, right? Let's move on. McDonald's is next. Any fans of this restaurant watching? Okay, I'm going down here. I see a downtrend along with an upward pullback and an engulfing pattern, followed by a breakout downward from the pullback, confirming the trend continuation. Great friends, my strategy is picking up speed. Let's keep going. After a long upward movement, I now see a divergence on the indicator. Even though the price is rising, the indicator's histogram bars are shrinking. This indicates an upcoming correction. As the growth slows, I'm entering and going down. And once again, my prediction was correct. By the way, the divergence means that the indicator and the price chart don't align. This is important to understand if you want to trade on your own. But when you work with me, you don't have to even analyze the market. That's what many members of my global trading community are already doing. And I'm happy to see their results. Before we continue, let me ask you a question. Have you already joined my Telegram community? If not, I honestly don't understand why are you even watching my video. I'm literally giving you a roadmap to reach a whole new level of life. And it's so simple, even for beginners. In my community, you'll trade alongside me every single day in live sessions. And if you want to go deeper, I'll personally give you my technical analysis training for free. No problem. Over the past 3 years, this club has become not just a stepping stone to a new life, but a massive knowledge base filled with exclusive content from me. Because here's the truth. The key to leveling up is having the right mentor, someone who will guide you step by step and help unlock your full potential. So there is no time to waste before this offer closes. Click the link in the description below this video and join us now. Let's continue. After a breakout upward, the price dropped back below the level. This is called a false breakout. Usually after a false breakout, the price moves in the opposite direction. In this case, down. Let's see what happens. Perfect. I trust my predictions completely. Friends, this isn't overconfidence. I've spent 8 years mastering trading. Everything is going exactly as expected because my strategy has stood to the test of time. So let's keep going and stick to the strategy. Alright, the price has finally broken out of the sideways, and after a small pullback, it's heading up again. So we're taking off, guys. Friends, we're already seeing great results and you can achieve the same success. In my club, I talk about trading tips and help my subscribers reach their financial goals. So join us and start your journey to success. Let's keep going. Look, the correction has started just as I predicted. Then a sharp breakout upward, setting a new high, but the histogram bars on the indicator are shrinking and divergence is increasing. So I'm expecting another downward correction. Perfect. Let's keep going. Back to our second pair. As I mentioned earlier, after a false breakout, the price usually moves in the opposite direction. Plus, the indicator has fully reversed, so I'm expecting further downside movement. Awesome! Friends, if you have any question, I personally respond to everyone in my club. So follow the link in the description. There, I don't just explain what to do, but also share my knowledge. With me, you will be able to understand all the processes. Alright, this one is simple. There's a divergence again. The chart is going up, but the histogram on the indicator isn't, so I'm expecting another downward correction. Great results. Let's make one final push. Looking at the chart, I see that after the price drop, a hammer pattern has formed at the bottom. This is a candlestick with a long lower wick and a small body. This pattern usually signals the end of downtrend, meaning the price is likely to rise again. Well, looking at my results, I can confidently say that my strategy is highly effective. Now, my subscribers can use it with confidence too. I always test my strategies on myself before I share them with my students. After all, trading involves risk. You need to be cautious and identify dangerous situations. That's why, when working with my subscribers, I teach them to take their time and analyze the situation carefully. What I just showed you, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Real success comes when you know exactly which strategy to use at the right time. And that's what separates professionals from the rest. Inside my Telegram community, I don't just share strategies. I trade in real time with my members. Every signal, every trade, I put my own savings on the line and show you exactly how to do it the right way. This isn't theory. This is real, practical experience that delivers results. And here's the thing, this isn't just another channel. It is a full ecosystem where members learn, benefit, and grow together. More than 12,000 people are already inside, but access won't stay open for long. Why? Because I care about quality over quantity. I personally work with my members to ensure they see results. And once the group reaches its limits, access will be closed. So now, you have a choice. Stay on the sidelines or join the people who are already getting results. If you want to be among those who take control of their lives, this is your chance to act. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to join. But I can't guarantee the link will still be active tomorrow, so don't wait. Click the link now, join, and I'll see you in the next live trading session. This is your moment. Don't miss it.